Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that some people visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "Dispatch some men along with us who may teach us the Quran and Sunnah." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon dispatched 70 helpers, including my maternal uncle Haram, along with them, who were called the Quran readers. They, the helpers, would recite the Quran, spend night in teaching and learning the Quran, and during the day they would fetch water and place it in the mosque, fetch some wood from the jungle, sell it and purchase food for the people of the platform and the poor in exchange. The Prophet ﷺ sent them to the infidels, and the infidels made an assault on them and martyred them before they reached their destiny. At that time they said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, convey this message to our Prophet ﷺ from us. We have met you and we are pleased with you, and you are pleased with us." Hazrat Anas further said, "During this tragedy, a man came from behind my maternal uncle Haram and stabbed him with a spear, which pierced through his body. And my maternal uncle thereupon said, 'By the Lord of the Kaaba, I have succeeded.' Then Allah's Apostle ﷺ said to his companions radiyallahu anhum, 'Your brothers have been assassinated, and they have said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, convey this message to our Prophet from us. We have met you and we are pleased with you, and you are pleased with us.'" Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4894.